Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 56,240 miles. It is powered by the reliable 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Estima is also 4-wheel drive. This factory right-hand drive vehicle features 2 doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. Oh, it's chilly out there. All right, as y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. Oh, sorry about that. All right. The number that you're looking down at the bottom, 90,511, that is the kilometers. The miles on it again is 56,240. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.